karate kick. I'm gonna get low.
We're back again.
This is the thumbnail. Yeah. So my challenge is to go live every day in July. Because I want to get back to the roots of vlogging, walking with the camera, and connecting with my audience. And also just trying something different. Did it make my channel explode? No. Did I lose subscribers? Yeah, kind of, but we'll call that more like cleaning the house. Here's a quick recap on the month. July, and I'm live. So this is JULYVE.
I can't believe Daddy did that!
Welcome to JULYVE.
Hey girlfriend, you come over here now, girlfriend.
That sounds like the lady at the massage parlor.
YouTube sensations, that's what we all are. Watching another great Australian sport, the AFL. Every day was a different adventure.
Briefing day.
Some days were just fun and laughs, others brought excitement and amazing views. Oh no! Back on solid ground, thank goodness. This is on the American Air, and wow. But the biggest part I took away from this experience is the community.
That's I'm out of time.
Creaky right there. All of these people, time after time, coming over to watch and be part of this challenge. Mark Insby, you just won. Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, hi.
And as much as you got to know me, I got to know you guys a lot.
Thank you for having me on, even though I'm in a dark place. Not dark place
mentally.
emotionally, mentally.
Like JULYVE, I invented it. That's why nobody's heard of it. Welcome to JULYVE. It is July and I'm live. The good old US of A. Whoa. Name of my program. He wants me to make a salad. Look at our wives. Look at our wives. We're doing something right in the world.
What's up? I found him.
This is behind the scenes, and then
that looks cool.
all the time.
Wow, wow. Funky Miller.
Funky Miller.
This is the new YouTube. Let's get it again. A little bit.
I almost said NewTube.
This is NewTube YouTube.
Cody, how long every day do you spend replying to Danny Black's fan mail?
Yeah, that is a great question. It is hard to get an estimate on that.
So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video. It needs a lot more attention.